Yo, what's going on, beautiful people? I'm the Revive King, and you are in the lab with New Life Kicks. We bring dead kicks back to life, and today we have a pair of 2018 Concord 11s, and we're gonna show you how to go from this to this. Our main area of focus in this video is going to be the bottom soles. We're gonna go from this to this. These are a pair, and they've never been iced with any creams or sauces, so that's a great thing. They do have a little bit of wear on them. However, the icing process was very straightforward, very simple, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that real quick. Let's head to the lab. Here are some tools I'll need for the job. The new nylon scrub, the new eraser sponge, the NuSole Brush, the Nu Antidote, of course, distilled water, a steam cleaner, and a lot of white microfiber towels. If you have suede or nubuck uppers, be sure to wrap the sneakers to protect them from any dirty water or solution. This tool isn't necessary, but this tool will help make our job easier and help us get it done faster. Hot water from the steamer is going to open up the pores on the rubber and allow the Nu Antidote to penetrate the soles a lot easier. It's also going to help break down stubborn, rigid dirt. If you're looking to remove dirt inside of textured surfaces on the sole, use the nylon scrub. It's a perfect tool for removing that deep embedded dirt. Gum can be annoying and very tedious to remove. We use a flathead screwdriver to carve out the gum, and then we wrap it inside of a microfiber towel to get in between the grooves and get a really good deep cleaning after the glue is removed. Some dirt just won't budge using certain tools, and this is where the new eraser sponge comes in. It gives you a super close clean. It hugs the surface to remove that microscopic dirt and allow UV light to pass through the soles a lot easier. After the cleaning, thoroughly rinse the soles with warm water. Now that we're done with the cleaning, we're gonna throw these inside of our UV box for 48 hours. Oxidation needs consistent time under UV light in order for it to be removed. If you break the sessions up or stop the process in between, it may make it more challenging to remove the yellowing or take more time to remove the yellowing. We reversed a ton of yellowing in our first session. Now it's time to reapply the Nu Antidote. Reapplication is simply scrubbing and cleaning the sneaker again. The goal is to make sure 100% of the dirt is removed and to penetrate the cellular structure by scrubbing. Target the heavily worn or dark areas and you'll be good. Repeat this process until you achieve the desired results. We're gonna go back in for another 48. The Nu Antidote is a game changer. After 2 48-hour sessions, we achieve these icy results without the risk of using harsh chemicals. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the chat box. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and stay icy the new way. New life is shoe life.